Duet by Hardy and Lainey Wilson, but I'm doing Hardy's part. Ooh, yeah. I got turned around in some little town I've never been here before. Working my way through the middle of June, midnight thunderstorm. There was something in the headlights, it stopped me on a dime. Well, she was scared to death, so I said, climb in, and then she climbed. Oh yeah. Well, she was bruised and broke from head to toe, with a tear in a bloodstained shirt. She didn't tell the whole truth, but she didn't have to. I knew what happened to her. I didn't load her down with questions. That girl has been through enough. I just threw it in the drive, looked in those eyes, and asked her where he was. Oh, if he's an angel, 'cause angels don't what he did. He was hell-bent to find the man behind all the whiskey scars I had. I never thought my day of justice would become a judge under a seat. But I knew right then I'll never get hit again when he says to me, wait in the truck. Ooh, just wait in the truck. Well, I knocked and knocked and no one came, so I kicked in the double wide door. I let the hammer down before he got to that 12 that was reaching for. I didn't try to hide my pistol, I didn't try to run. Just sat on the porch smoking over the cigarette and waiting for the cops to come. I didn't know if he's an angel, 'cause angels don't do what he did. He was hell-bent to find the man behind all the whiskey scars I had. I never thought my day of justice would come from a judge under the seat. But I knew right then I'd never get it again when he said to me, wait in the truck, wait in the truck. Have mercy on me, Lord. Mercy on me. Have mercy on me, Lord. It's been 60 months, and she still comes to see me from time to time. It was worth the price to see her brighter side. Oh, that girl I picked up at night. Now I've never been here before. It ain't paradise, that's true, but it's a whole lot, hell of a lot better than the place I sent him to. Yeah. Have mercy on me, on me. Just wait in the truck. Have mercy, have mercy, have mercy on me. Lord, have mercy. Wait in the truck. Have mercy, have mercy on me, Lord. Have mercy on me. Have mercy, have mercy, have mercy on me, Lord. Have mercy on me. Have mercy, have mercy on me. Just wait in the truck. Have mercy, have mercy, have mercy on me. Oh, just wait in the truck, please. Wait in the truck, please. Thank you, baby.